This is amount in million financing done by the Bank Islami.
There's a permanent position increase.
You told to show some figure in last meeting. What about the Bank Islamic figures?
But then I would start up here with that in the ingress instead. The last 5 years,
Okay.
financing or banks have started to finance. There has been accelerating growth in financing by banks.
Last 5 years. Okay.
I would start with that in ingress.
Okay.
I wouldn't make this figure here. I think it's a good start for your analysis chapter.
Okay.
To say that, and then you could say something about that.
Okay.
This highlights this makes this might make monitoring of short-term loans even more important.
Okay.
Here we perhaps this is better in the problem discussion even. I don't know. Problem discussion?
Okay.
Or introduction?
Okay.
Introduction? Because this is an argument for studying what you are studying, rather than results. Do you understand? So, again, let me see. Do you study all kinds of loans?
No. In 5.1.3 profit and loss sharing financing of Bank Islami, we have then explained the loans
Yes.
we're studying. And the need to mention all these loans is because when you read in this, you will understand. Because profit and loss sharing financing is based upon working capital finance and on project finance as well. It can be used to satisfy and to fulfill the needs of up to level. This is why I have discussed property loans.
Okay. I would integrate them then.
Yeah.
Like this. I would try to say like this. Profit and loss sharing financing is used for 2 of the 3 types of loans
Yes.
that the bank offers.
Right.
Those 2 are project finance and partnership financing. Project financing means, and partnership financing means.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
that is.
Instead of having 2 separate.
That's fine.
Yes.
That we are going to narrow down with this.
You understand? This is integrating. This is what I mean by integrating
Yeah.
and relating everything to your research
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
And then avoid these terms, mudabara and
Okay.
mudaraba.
Okay.
For I know that these terms are
Okay.
standard.
Actually, it's we use by mistake. In fact, we are in mind not to use by, but my mistake while we're writing.
It's standard for you.
Yeah. Actually, by mistaking, it's going to use. It's not intentionally. When we started.
Take an interview with the bank.
Then we are supposed to use mudarba. They don't know.
Of course.
Actually, we know. Actually, we are. We know that we are not supposed to write this, but by mistake that we are writing this.
You can have it in brackets the first time.
Yeah. We have written in the first time. And we have written in the appendix as well.
Because to us, it's very difficult.
Yeah, it's actually we had discussion with Nielsen that he told the same that you write in the beginning or something and no need if it's up to your supervisor. Then it's fine.
I don't understand this though. The last profit and loss channel is used to fulfill project finance as well. That's good. So this I would say is 1, 2.
Okay.
Project number and 3, and
All
then
right.
you can skip that
Okay.
because it's
That's
irrelevant for your.
fine. Okay.
But then we have 4 here, and I have a question mark. I don't understand.
Okay.
Since Moderaba transactions are based on pure profit and loss sharing arrangement, therefore, the risks associated with such are greater. So, due to this reason, are executed subject to satisfactory review. You need to rewrite the sentence. It's unclear. I think you're trying to say that for under profit and loss sharing, there is risk. It implies risk. As a consequence of the cost of risk, firms, the bank may need to review or may need to assess whether to provide a loan or not.
Okay.
That's what you're trying to say, I think.
Yes,
You have to write it much more simply. I don't understand.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
complicating it.
That's good that you've given us words.
And this we should know by now, so I don't know if you should tell that again. You should have already have explained in earlier chapters that
Yeah, in literature.
profit and loss
and,
sharing implies risk taking. Who is taking the risk? You should have discussed that. Perhaps you can have a sentence, recall that profit and loss sharing implies risk taking.
Recall this.
And because the bank is taking risk, it might be valuable for the bank to assess whether to provide a loan or not.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Well,
We will change accordingly. That's why we wanna meet you.
And then this is strange. I mean, this is also some data, right?
Okay.
I would say in the ingress how you're going to present data. How are you going to present data? Going to present the data. That is, are you going to use quotations? Are you going to... You have to make clear when they are making a statement.